Welcome back to Real Jerry, your go-to channel for exploring remarkable development projects in Africa and beyond. Today, we are taking you on a captivating journey to the newly reopened Kumasi International Airport, now known as Nana Agiemang Prempeh 1 International Airport, located in the vibrant city of Ashanti, Ghana. After 6 years of heavy renovation works, the Kumasi International Airport has undergone a magnificent transformation. On May 10th, Ghana's President Nana Akufo-Addo officiated the grand reopening, marking a significant milestone for the country and the Ashanti region. The ribbon-cutting ceremony was a momentous occasion attended by various stakeholders, government entities, and aviation enthusiasts. With the airport now open for public service and which will go operational by the end of June, it promises to become a crucial hub for international and domestic flights, catering to the growing demands of passengers in the region. The construction of the airport was approved in 1940, and since then this airport has been a witness to Ghana's aviation journey for over 8 decades. From its humble beginnings, the airport served as a military base until it was converted into a domestic airport in 1999. It was declared as an international airport in 2003. Significant developments took place during the 1970s when the runway was extended, lights were installed on the taxiway, and a new terminal building was constructed. These improvements laid the foundation for the airport's future growth and expansion. Fast forward to 2014, an ambitious expansion project was launched to elevate the Kumasi International Airport to new heights. The project was executed in multiple phases. Phase 1, completed in December 2014, marked a significant milestone. The runway underwent rehabilitation, ensuring its durability and safety. Additionally, aeronautical ground lighting systems were installed, enabling night operations and enhancing the airport's capabilities. Building upon the success of Phase 1, Phase 2 commenced in November 2018. This phase focused on constructing a brand new passenger terminal and multiple service facilities designed to provide a seamless travel experience for passengers. The new terminal, spanning an impressive 7,000 square meters, represents the epitome of modern infrastructure. Equipped with state-of-the-art facilities including VIP lounges, restaurants, and boarding gates, it aims to meet the needs and expectations of the growing number of passengers. The airport's expansion didn't stop there. Phase 3 is currently underway, bringing further enhancements to the Kumasi International Airport. The existing runway is being extended from 1,981 meters to 2,300 meters, enabling the airport to accommodate wide-body aircraft. In addition to the runway extension, this phase includes the construction of a new taxi link, 2 apron parking stands, an air traffic control building, and a fire station. These essential infrastructure developments will further enhance the airport's operational efficiency and safety standards. Stepping inside the newly revamped Nana Agiemang Prempeh 1 International Airport is a truly captivating experience. The interior is thoughtfully designed with several operational areas offering convenience and comfort to passengers. Glass stair walls enhance the visual appeal, allowing natural light to illuminate the space. Upon entering, visitors are greeted by the welcoming sign Nante Ye, meaning safe travels in the local language. This warm greeting sets the tone for a pleasant journey ahead. The airport's new terminal building, with its modern architecture and spacious design, is a testament to Ghana's commitment to providing world-class facilities. From the moment you step foot inside, you'll be immersed in a seamless travel experience. During the inauguration, President Nana Akufo-Addo expressed his excitement about the newly commissioned terminal. He emphasized that it will bring immense relief to travelers and businesses in Ashanti and beyond. The president highlighted that this airport's completion would not only enhance the global profile of the Ashanti region, but also contribute to its economic prosperity. It will serve as a gateway, strengthening international relationships, trade, and tourism. And that concludes our captivating journey to the remarkable Nana Agiemang Prempeh 1 International Airport in Kumasi, Ghana. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of the airport's rich history and impressive developments. Remember to subscribe, like and share to join the Real Jerry community and stay updated on exciting content. Until next time, stay tuned to Real Jerry for more captivating stories.